OEMConfig. 1. Upload the OEMConfig APK. Let's go to Application Management, App Store. Select Add App and upload the OEMConfig Application APK. This APK is used to implement various functions, such as device-side policy control. To APK associated with XML file, select System Management, OEMConfig Configuration. Choose to add XML for associating the corresponding OEMConfig configuration policy. After the successful upload, we can preview the details of the corresponding OEMConfig policy settings. 3. Issuing of OEMConfig policy. Select the OEMConfig menu. Choose to add an OEMConfig application configuration policy. Set the corresponding effective device group. Once issued successfully, the device will install the OEMConfig policy and regularly check the application and policy settings status according to the polling time.